Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really fun, playful teasing for flirting with women. If you want to make your flirting more exciting and leave a great impression, you're in the right place. We'll learn how to tease playfully and connect better with women. So, let's dive in. Playful teasing is when you joke around with someone in a fun and light-hearted way. It's not meant to hurt feelings. Instead, it's all about making each other laugh and enjoy the moment. Here's what you need to know about playful teasing. Making each other laugh. The main goal of teasing is to share laughs. When you can make a woman smile or giggle, it helps both of you feel more comfortable and happy. Keeping things light. Teasing should always feel fun and not serious. You want to create an atmosphere where both of you can enjoy each other's company without any pressure. Building a connection. When you tease someone playfully, it shows that you are confident and relaxed. This makes it easier to connect and can help create a strong bond. It's a great way to get to know each other and share positive feelings. You might be wondering why teasing is so important when flirting with women. Here are some reasons. 1. Creates excitement. Playful teasing helps make conversations more exciting. It adds energy and keeps both of you engaged and interested. A little fun can turn a boring chat into something special. 2. Shows confidence. Teasing is a sign of confidence. Many women find confident men attractive. When you joke around, it shows that you are comfortable with yourself and not afraid to have fun. 3. Breaks the ice. Teasing can be a great way to break the ice, especially if you're nervous. If you're unsure how to start a conversation, a playful tease can help you get things going. It makes it easier to connect and can lead to more fun interactions. 4. Builds anticipation. Teasing builds excitement and anticipation. It can make her look forward to talking to you more. When you tease in a fun way, it creates a sense of attraction and interest, which can lead to a deeper connection. Now, let's delve deeper into some helpful tips for teasing women in a fun way. Each tip is designed to help you create a playful atmosphere while ensuring that the interaction remains enjoyable for both of you. 1. Know the mood. Understanding the mood of the conversation is crucial when it comes to playful teasing. Here's how to do it effectively. Observe body language. Pay close attention to her body language. Is she leaning in towards you? Is she smiling and making eye contact? These are good signs that she is comfortable and engaged. If she seems relaxed and open, it's a great time to tease her playfully. Look for signs of discomfort. If she crosses her arms, looks away, or seems distracted, it might mean she's not enjoying the teasing. In such cases, it's important to switch gears. You can change the topic to something more neutral or ask her a question about herself to make her feel more at ease. Adapt your approach. If you notice that she enjoys teasing, feel free to keep it light and fun. However, if she seems shy or reserved, start with softer compliments or light-hearted banter before gradually introducing playful teasing. This way, you can build rapport and trust before diving into more playful jabs. Check for responses. Throughout the conversation, check how she responds to your teasing. If she laughs and teases you back, it's a great sign that she's enjoying the playful banter. If she responds positively, you can continue teasing in a fun way. But if her laughter fades or she seems unsure, it's a good idea to back off and give her some space. 2. Keep it light. Keeping your teasing light-hearted is essential for creating a fun atmosphere. Here are some ways to ensure your teasing stays enjoyable. Avoid sensitive topics. Steer clear of subjects that could make her uncomfortable, such as her appearance, weight, or personal experiences that might be sensitive. Instead, focus on her interests or quirks in a playful manner. For instance, if she loves a particular band, you could say, "I didn't know you had such questionable taste in music. I might have to rethink our friendship." This kind of teasing is light and fun, showing that you appreciate her interests. Use humor. Incorporate humor into your teasing to keep things enjoyable. A playful joke about a shared experience can lighten the mood and make her laugh. For example, if you both went to a party together, you could say, "Remember that dance-off we had? I think I still have some moves that could win the next competition." This keeps the teasing light and reminds her of a fun memory. Be playful, not hurtful. Always remember that the goal is to make her smile, not to hurt her feelings. If you sense that a comment might be crossing a line, choose a different approach. For example, instead of teasing her about being late, which could be a sensitive issue, you might say, "I see you're taking your time to make a grand entrance. I like it." This keeps the tone playful while avoiding any feelings of embarrassment. Encourage laughs. Use playful teasing to encourage laughter. If she shares a funny story or fails at something, you can gently tease her by saying, "Well, at least you made it entertaining." This creates a light-hearted atmosphere where you both can share a laugh and enjoy each other's company. 3. Use body language. Body language plays a crucial role in flirting and teasing. Here's how to effectively use it to enhance your playful teasing. Make eye contact. Eye contact can create a feeling of intimacy and connection. When you tease her, maintain eye contact to show that you're engaged and interested in what she's saying. A playful smile can also help convey that you're joking and having fun. Lean in. Leaning in slightly when you're having a conversation can create a sense of closeness. It shows that you're interested in what she has to say and makes your teasing feel more personal. For example, if you're sharing a playful story, leaning in while you tease her can make the moment feel more intimate. Use gestures. Incorporate playful gestures to emphasize your teasing. A light nudge on the shoulder or a cheeky wink can add to the playful atmosphere. For instance, if you tease her about her favorite TV show, a playful eyebrow raise can show that you're joking and keep the mood light. Mirror her movements. Mirroring her body language can create a sense of rapport. If she's animated and expressive, feel free to match her energy. If she's relaxed, you can tone it down a bit. This helps create a connection and makes the teasing feel more natural. 4. Be open to teasing back. Flirting is a two-way street, and being open to teasing back is essential for creating a fun dynamic. Here's how to embrace this playful exchange. Encourage her to tease. Let her know that you enjoy a bit of playful banter. You can say something like, "I'm ready for your best comeback." This invites her to engage in the teasing and shows that you're comfortable with playful exchanges. Laugh at yourself. Don't take yourself too seriously. If she teases you, embrace it and laugh along. For example, if she playfully calls you out for a silly mistake, you could respond with, "You caught me. I guess I'm not as smooth as I thought." This shows that you can take a joke and keeps the playful energy flowing. Respond with playful comebacks. When she teases you back, respond with a playful comeback. If she jokes about your taste in movies, you could say, "Well, I might have to introduce you to some real classics. Get ready for a movie night." This keeps the banter going and adds excitement to the conversation. Create a playful challenge. You can create a challenge out of your teasing. For example, if she teases you about your dance moves, you could respond with, "All right, let's have a dance-off. Loser buys ice cream." This adds a fun element to the teasing and encourages her to engage in playful competition. Here are some examples of flirty teasing that you can use when talking to women. 1. Compliment with a twist. You might say, "Do you always have this much fun?" Or "Am I just lucky to be here?" This is a nice way to compliment her and invite her to keep the conversation going. It shows that you enjoy her company and want to know her better. 2. Playful challenge. If she shares something interesting, you can tease her by saying, "Wow, are you trying to impress me? Because it's totally working." This keeps things light and shows that you enjoy talking to her. It also encourages her to share more about herself and keeps the conversation flowing. 3. Observing funny traits. If you notice something funny about her, you could say, "I see you're the queen of bad jokes. I'm impressed." This kind of teasing is playful and lets her know that you appreciate her sense of humor. It keeps the conversation fun and opens the door for her to share more of her personality. 4. Light sarcasm. You could say, "You know, I've heard that you have the best taste in music. I hope you're not just trying to trick me." This playful sarcasm can create a fun back and forth. Just make sure she knows you're joking. Playful teasing is a great way to flirt and create a connection with women. It makes conversations more enjoyable and helps build attraction. So, step out there, embrace your playful side, and enjoy every moment of flirty banter. Here's a fun challenge for you. Try to tease a woman light-heartedly this week. Pay attention to how she reacts and see how it changes the conversation. I would love to hear your stories about how it goes, so share them in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on flirting with women.